Hey, I'm Vlad Glow Marble, and I'm going to teach you a really easy way of how to figure out how much concrete you need to pour into your concrete mold. Now there's two options for this. The first one being that on our website, every single mold comes with detailed instructions on how to create your own concrete mix and exactly how much of every ingredient you need to add for the mold that you're going to buy. It uses 2 parts sand, 1 part cement, and then some super plasticizer, which basically reduces the amount of water you need to use, making your concrete a lot stronger. But if you don't want to be sitting here measuring everything meticulously, which you probably don't since you're watching this video, here's the second option. I want to pour 2 of these molds, and the first pour that you're going to do is kind of going to be like a test run. So you're going to figure out, you're just going to eyeball it basically. So I eyeballed this thing, and it looks like 1 80-pound bag of concrete will fill the entire thing, and so that's exactly what I did. I've mixed up 2 bags of concrete, I poured them into the molds, and then I came out with a little bit of excess material. I poured all the excess into a smaller bucket, let it cure overnight, and then I demolded it. This is how much came out. What makes this method so easy is that you don't even need a scale. You barely have to do any calculations. You just demold, and if you pay attention right here, you can see the line of where that excess material kind of stopped. I don't even need to use a marker or a Sharpie or anything. I already know how much dry concrete I need to remove and put it into this bucket. I kind of mentioned that you didn't need a scale, but that was my mistake because you do to figure out how much water you want to add. So we placed this bucket onto the scale. So the 80-pound bag minus the 24.5 that we have a bag of 55 pounds of concrete. So the bag says for the 80-pound bag, we need 3.5 quarts of water. But what do we need for the 55.5 pound bag? How we do that is 55.5 times 3.5 equals that divided by 80. We need 2.4 quarts of water added to the 3.5 that we're gonna make for the second full bag, and that's the total amount of water that we're gonna need for both of these castings. So basically the easiest way to mix your concrete is to pour the water into the bottom of your bucket and then add half of the concrete that you're gonna add, mix it, and then add the other half. This distributes the entire concrete completely with water so that you're not gonna get any like dry clumps in there. By the way, every single item that I'm using, like the molds, the buckets, the mixer, is all in on our website, and it's gonna be in the link in the description. I'm also gonna pin a comment at the very top. You're gonna see every single link to every single one of these items I'm using. And now we add our regular 80-pound bag with nothing taken out of it. We have the mold on top of our vibration table. We're gonna spray the release agent onto it. We're gonna start shoveling it in. Let's see how accurate this measurement was. So the bucket's completely emptied out. This is all the excess that's left. And just for curiosity's sake, I'm gonna demold these in front of you guys and show you what the finished product looks like from this mold. So you've made it to the end of my video, but now I want to ask you for a quick favor. See, the YouTube algorithm gets tricked into showing my video to a lot more people if a lot of people comment on it. So criticize me, praise me, or just ask a question. As long as you leave a comment, I'm going to appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.